High Court The High Court of the Gambia, presided over by Justice Sarah Aryee, quashed an eviction order issued by the Chief of Kombo South District, stating that the chief acted outside the scope of District Tribunal's authority. The case involved Amadou Wuribari and Jenaba Jallo as applicants, against Yankuba Jammeh and the Attorney General as respondents. The application before the court, filed on August 20, 2024, sought an order directing the sheriff to reopen premises that were closed on the chief's order. According to the applicant, Amadou Wuribari was issued a summons on January 31, 2022 by Yankuba Jammeh at the Kombo South District Tribunal, with Jammeh claiming ownership of land where Barry and his family has resided since 2014. Barry stated that on March 6, 2024, Jammeh alleged he was making bricks and connecting a tap to the compound, while Barry denies as false, asserting he was not developing his compound at the time and had no tap. It was later confirmed that a neighbor was developing her property, and his neighbor was not a party to the suit between Barry and Jammeh. The applicant further stated that despite the case being pending and with 3 more witnesses yet to testify, the chief wrote a letter to the sheriff to evict him, his family and tenants, and close the shop and that of a tenant without any prior notice. The eviction, based on the chief's instructions, caused considerable hardship, rendering Barry and his family homeless. The letter from the chief of the sheriff order the eviction was reportedly backdated to February 6, 2024, and its instructions were carried out. The respondent, in an affidavit opposing the application, stated that the Kombo South District Tribunal has issued an eviction order after an injunction during court proceedings instructing all parties to cease interfering with the land until a final determination. The respondent claimed the applicants had disobeyed the order. The second respondent admitted that a dispute exists between the applicant and the second respondent and that the matter is still pending at the Gunjo District Tribunal, with ownership of the property yet to be determined. The chief, it was stated, wrote a letter to evict any person found on the land. Justice Aryee, in her ruling, highlighted that the District Tribunal is established under the District Tribunal Act, Cap 6.03, and has jurisdiction as set out in its establishment order, subject to the Act's provisions. The Act specified that for a hearing, the President of the Vice President and at least 2 other members must be present, and the majority decisions constitute the court's decision. The court found out that purported order for eviction was a letter dated March 25, 2024, signed solely by the chief and not court order made by majority members at the hearing. Justice Aryee emphasized that chief cannot unilaterally issue an eviction letter with a suit while